How to choose who can view your story on Snapchat in Snapchat, of course. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. First step is to open Snapchat. Then when Snap is opening, as you see, you go here on your profile, then you click, and then you go here on settings and click again. After this, go to you go down and go to view my story, and here you can choose who can view your story on Snapchat. For example, everyone, or friend only, or custom, and whatever you want you can choose. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.